All right, so we just got done with doing the radio show with Tyrone Smith. K-Talk radio station 1640 AM. I'm already out of breath. We just started the warm-up. What we thought we'd do today is have Tyrone share some pointers and tips with us on agility, maybe some receiver, cornerback kind of tips, and then maybe, I don't know, I'll run out for a couple passes.
Yep.
All right. So today our guest on K-Talk radio show is Tyrone Smith, who is the receiver for the University of Utah. Now, he's also played cornerback, so he will switch between those two positions, receiver and corner. He's gonna be our guest today. We're going to ask him what his thoughts are on the 2020 season that's about to start. Then what'll be really fun is after the show, we're gonna head over to Churchill Junior High School, and he's gonna give me pointers. I'm not sure what kind of pointers he's gonna give me, but we had discussed possibly him talking about giving me receiver pointers or defensive back, basically cornerback pointers. For fun, just for fun out on the field. So it should be a good day, a radio show, and lots of fun out on the field doing a workout with Tyrone Smith.
See, kids, this is how you do it. You match the bracelet with the shorts.
There you go. All right, yeah. So come on in. We'll have you about right here. This is the show, Utah Home Sweet Home. I am your host, Yoshi Shiraki, and today our very special guest is Tyrone Smith, the receiver and cornerback for the University of Utah. Tyrone, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
And then, of course, we're going to hear about Tyrone's nightmare story of the injury. I know of 3 surgeries, right? You had to go through 3.
5.
5! Holy cow! Okay, so 5, yes.
Where it all started, Tyrone Young Smith, that's my name, from Fresno, California. Actually, I was just working out on the field. Usually you get recruited through game footage.
Okay.
But it was a little different for me. My senior year came around, and I was just working out on the field, and a coach came out to visit one of my close friends from high school. I was just doing ladder drills. That's it. And coach was like, man, like, I can see something in this kid. Coach Sharif Shaw, and he believed in me. And
no way.
That's where it started from.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. So a lot of it was just fate and luck, because if you wouldn't have been there training, just home watching TV or playing Madden, exactly. You wouldn't have been hypothetically discovered. He spots you. Does he approach you that day, or does he get in touch with you later, or how did that work out?
So he came out and he told my friend, said, can we run through some drills? Asking me, they were like, do you want to come run drills? And I was like, no, it's fine, because they were doing defensive back drills.
Oh, okay.
I was a receiver in high school and quarterback, so I was like, no, it's fine. Like, I'm not really, a DB.
Yeah.
And they were just like, no, just come do the drills for us. It's nothing too big. And I was like, okay. So I went over there, and I did. We did a couple drills. Like, I was like, yeah, I'll do it. So I ran the drills, and they were just like, man, like, you have a lot of talent. Like, where have you been? And I was just like, man, if you look at my grades, you'll know.
Okay, and now you've played some DB for the U.
I did, yeah. I ended up transferring over from receiver after my sophomore year, and ended up playing DB. And it was fun. It was really different. It's hard, not playing DB in high school.
Yeah.
Coming to college and trying it for the first time. Some guys usually have a little bit of experience, but me, I really didn't have any. That's why, like, this journey I'm on, it's not about me, It's not about Tyrone becoming the best NFL player, best college football player. It's just showing that no matter what happens in your life, like, you can keep pushing. I mean, sometimes you could feel it creep in. Like, there's times that you're dealing with something and something gets hard and you're just like, doubts roll in. But it's like, you're either gonna deal with the doubts, or you're either gonna push them out, or you're gonna let them soak in. And so I just ever since then, like, as I gotten older, I just dove deeper into the mind. And some people, their mind just works different. I'm all about just like self-accountability and like learning myself, learning like what triggers me.
Listening to the show, Utah Home Sweet Home. This is K-Talk Radio 1640 AM. I hope you all have a spectacular rest of the day. This view, Tyrone.
I know.
That's sick. This parking lot gets packed at sunset.
Yeah.
Look, I even got.
Oh,
they haven't been worn since back when these are his football gloves.
Hey.
It's been 5 years since I opened this bag. Oh, I'm gonna put these on too, so I look legit.
Oh yeah.
How old was he?
Yeah. My name's Tyrone.
Oh, yes! How are ya?
I'm good. How are you?
We're season ticket holders.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah?
So are we gonna play this season?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. Hey, thanks.
Yeah, nice to see you. Have a great day.
The best thing about moving around in any sport usually is being able to keep your feet under your center of mass.
Hey.
So, perfect thing about this grass is it's deep, so it's gonna make it harder. Like I said, you can do 2 feet in. You can do something that's called Iki shuffle. You can go more lateral movement. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
With doing the radio show with Tyrone Smith at K-Talk radio station 1640 AM. I'm already out of breath. We just started the warm-up, and what we thought we'd do today is have Tyrone share some pointers and tips with us on agility, maybe some receiver, cornerback kind of tips, and then maybe, I don't know, I'll run out for a couple passes.
Yep.
All right, let's do it.
When it comes down to playing receiver, the biggest thing is understanding what the defensive back is trying to do.
Okay.
So you got to understand his strength. So if the ball is inside, and I could tell by your leverage what you're trying to take away. So a DB will never play directly in front of me.
Okay.
They either play slightly inside,
Okay.
sometimes outside.
Got
If
it.
they're head up, they're usually dead man's land.
Oh,
They
okay.
go both ways.
Got
So
it.
they always want to take away one side and force you one way.
Gotcha.
So if the ball's inside and you're there, yeah. So if I'm here, usually their feet will be together. Yeah, there you go. So I know that majority of the time, if they're trying to take away the inside, if I go this way, they want to throw that hand.
Oh, okay.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, got it.
So wherever I go, I can tell once I move, like wherever you move, I can tell like what your strength is.
Okay.
Yeah. So I know if sometimes I go this way, I'll see that foot move first. So
Okay.
if I go that way, sometimes they'll go there.
Oh, gotcha.
That little thing will tell me like, all right, his strength is there.
Got it.
So my goal is to move you off your alignment and then create space at the end. So
Okay.
if I want to go that way,
Yeah.
majority of the time, I'm going to attack this way. Wait
Okay.
till you throw it.
Oh, okay. Got it.
If I want to go inside,
Yeah.
I'll probably attack you here, go outside.
Uh-huh.
As soon as you throw it, then I'll come by like that.
Ah, okay.
So pretty much I'm trying to, it's like a mind game. You're trying
Yeah.
to move him off his landmark. So usually they're trying to stay usually on your hip. So
Okay.
yeah, so if you're there, you're trying to stay there. So like I said, if I'm trying to go inside, I'm gonna go fast outside and then
Got it.
so I'm just wait for the hand.
Yeah.
So most receivers like to give a release, so they'll have a little bit of space.
Okay.
They'll come up and they'll set you up, and then they'll go away
Got it.
to get you to get on your heels.
Yeah.
Me, like, I'm skinnier, but I like to use my length and my like power.
Gotcha.
So I like to kind of go through. So I know if the bad thing about going around somebody is if I do this and I go this way and you catch me,
Yeah.
then I'm way over here now.
Oh, okay.
The quarterback's waiting for me.
Yeah.
I have to get over there. You're on me like that. I can't. I'm trying to get around you.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm not gonna get the ball. Take away that extension, from boxing.
Yeah.
And once I get that that extension, that's when
Yep.
they're most powerful.
Right.
So if I'm here, then it's like I'm dead. But if I can kind of attack early,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
better because I got it when they're bent,
Got it.
and then I just have to go through.
Gotcha.
So if I stack you, then now you're trailing me.
Right.
So
Got
yeah,
it.
Those are some like the off the release. And then when you get into the route, it's all a mind game. Like the best thing is to stack.
Yeah.
So stacking is when I get around you,
Yeah.
I'm here. So now you're following me.
Okay.
You have to go wherever I go.
Right.
So I can play with you.
Yeah.
So if I want to go that way,
Yeah.
I can go here, look this way,
Yeah.
and go. I can do
Got
anything.
it.
So you're
Got it.
now you're just trying to figure out where I'm going.
Right.
So that's the best thing. That's why stacking is so good to chase the rabbit. So
Got it.
make them chase the rabbit.
So how many plays does it usually take you to realize his strengths? The very first play? Or you watch his feet first
game-
play?
Game footage. Some games you'll have a guy that plays like that,
Yeah.
and then you'll see all year on film he'll play like that.
Yeah.
He plays you, and then he's slightly that way.
Oh, okay.
So now it's like my game plan has to switch.
Got it.
So now it's like, what are you gonna do?
Right.
So you always have to have a backup plan. So if I know that this guy's playing there now,
Yeah.
I kind of have a good feeling of what he's trying to take away.
Yeah.
You gotta just flip it. I mean, it's not that hard. So
Right.
now I know that majority of my releases will probably be inside.
Gotcha.
Or I will continue to try to push him this way because he's trying to take that away. And usually if he's trying to take that away, he probably has help from somebody inside.
Got it.
Because everything is over here in the field.
Got it.
So if he's playing outside,
Yeah.
then I mean I can run over here all day long. So probably he has like help from the safety or linebacker. But when he's inside,
Yeah.
I know that majority of the time it's just me and him.
Got it.
He's using the sideline as like a defender.
Right.
So he's trying to squeeze me there and then protect the inside. When somebody's one-on-one and they're close to me,
Yeah.
because I know like with my length,
Yeah.
I'm just watching hands.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna be aggressive. I'm gonna be really aggressive. So every time,
Yeah.
I know that you're backwards on forward.
Yeah.
So if I'm looking right now, I can kind of see if you're on your heels, if you're on your toes. So I see you're slightly on your toes, like in the balls of your feet.
Yeah.
So I know you're kind of heavy.
Yeah.
So I know when I take off, you're gonna lean.
Yeah.
And then if I come at you hard,
Yeah.
or if I come at you hard, you're gonna come towards me.
Right.
If I kind of like do something like this,
Yeah.
you'll probably like go back.
Right.
So I'm just trying to figure out where your weight is, but it's not always the same.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's totally different. Like I might come off, and then I might think you're this way,
Yeah.
and you might be going back.
Right.
So you gotta just think quick.
Got
So
it.
The best thing about a receiver is watching the hands.
Okay.
If your hands are down,
Yeah.
say your hands are behind your back,
Okay.
and I run a route,
Yeah.
I'm just running, and I'm free.
Yeah.
But as soon as you put your hands on me,
Yeah.
now I'm trapped.
Right.
So that's why the goal is those.
Got it.
So it's either attacking the wrist,
Yeah.
the elbows, the shoulder. Some people grab the shoulder and they like
Oh.
to pull down.
Yeah.
Some people like to grab the wrist, or the elbow. Some people like to grab the wrist. So being able to absorb that contact and use it against you. So
Very cool. Well, Tyrone just shared some receiver tips, defensive back tips. If you guys are out there, know someone in high school, little league, working their way up to the college ranks, this was definitely some really good stuff. I like a lot of stuff that's like in detail that, you know, you watch the game, but you have no idea that's what's going behind the scenes.
Right.
So yeah, thank you for sharing that. So today we had a really fun day. We started the morning off on K-Talk Radio, interviewed Tyrone, heard about his personal rituals for mindset on game day. Then Tyrone was generous enough to come out here and share some pointers on being a receiver as well as a defensive back. And taught me some drills so I can get some agility and foot coordination. Tyrone, any tips for the young kids up there looking to try and play college ball?
yeah, I mean, I'll say the biggest thing is, you know, keep your mind right, believe in yourself, have the confidence, and yeah, just work every day. You know, give it everything you have.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Tyrone. Don't forget to watch the U of U 2020 season. Tyrone will be playing in those games so we can both, all of us, root for him as well as root for the Utes. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment section below. And a big shout out to the Utes. Go Utes!